Hello friends, welcome to our travel vlog. In this video, we will be sharing our experience in Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer Fort is the most popular landmark of Jaisalmer city. The fort was built in the 12th century by Maharaval Jaisal Singh. It is one of the few living forts in the world with nearly one-fourth of Jaisalmer's population still living inside the fort. The fort houses museums, shops, restaurants, residential complex and many luxurious hotels. The main attractions in the fort are the Raj Mahal, the Jain temple, the Lakshmanath temple and a city viewpoint. The entire Raj Mahal is a museum which exhibits artifacts, armory and lifestyle of the past kings. The Raj Mahal is still owned by the royal family. Many movies have been shot in the Jaisalmer fort, out of which one of the earlier movies was the Sonar Killa, which was shot in 1970. The design inside the Mahal are a fusion of Islamic and Rajput architecture. At the end of the tour, you can click photos with Rajasthani turban on the top of the Raj Mahal. The Jain temples were built between the 12th and the 15th century. These temples exhibits medieval era paintings and carvings. In all, there are 7 Jain temples dedicated to different Jain Tirthankars. The entire fort is a marketplace and you can explore literally each lane of the fort. The viewpoint provides the golden view of the city. You can enjoy the viewpoint with some coffee and some snacks. After the Jaisalmer fort, we visited the Patwon ki Haveli. It is the second most popular destination in Jaisalmer. The Haveli complex consists of 5 different Havelis which were built during the 19th century. The first Haveli was built by Guman Chand Patwa, who was a jewellery trader. The Haveli is known for its special mirror workings and colourful paintings. The Haveli also has a museum which displays the old artifacts and lifestyle of the Patwas. During the older days, silver and gold tradings were carried out in this Haveli. Another main attraction is the Gadisar Lake. It is an artificial lake which was built by Maharaval Jaisal Singh. The lake was reconstructed in the 14th century by Maharaval Gadisar Singh. During the older days, the lake would provide water to the entire city. Boating is the main attraction at the lake. Rajasthani costumes are available on rent at the entrance to the lake. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you liked it. We will leave you with the night view of the Jaisalmer fort. You can also follow us on Instagram.